my channel Sumit Tech. I'm your Sumit and I'm back with you people with the new OnePlus Smart Band in the black color variant, and I'm going to be sharing the unboxing, review and first impression of this with you. Okay, come, let's go to unboxing. Welcome back to unboxing, and please don't mind the stickers. Like in the package when it is damaged, I have repaired it so that I could share this with you people. Okay, if you take the overview of the box, you get the OnePlus symbol over here and OnePlus band, black branding, and here we have the picture of the OnePlus Smart Band, and it's very shocking to see that it's just printed and it's not sticker. And if you see the previous old watches like the MI Smart Band 4, here we get a sticker over here. You see, it's a sticker and not printed. Okay, and here we get sticker. But one thing I want to mention: this box is bigger than the Apple 12 Pro Max. Apple 12 Pro Max. Okay, it's bigger than that. And if you turn around, the sides there's nothing. At the back you got OnePlus band branding, so SpO2, sleep tracking, 24/7 heart rate tracking, 13 exercise sports modes, dual color sport band design, very good. And we have 1.1 inch AMOLED touch display and it's 14 days of battery. At 5 ATM water resistant plus IP68 water resistant. And here are the information about the manufacturer, importer and consumer. And like it's got imported into Delhi, but the service center is all mainly in Bangalore. Okay, and it's given here 2,800 rupees, but it actually cost rupees 2,299 actually at the present in Amazon. Okay, the product color is black. Okay, and let's open the box. After opening the box, you get like this. Let's keep the box aside. You get the band over here. Band has a cover on it. Keep it aside. You get documentation, the charger. Let's have a deep look into the documentation. You get the red cable club. This is the red cable club thing. You get the never settle. This is the warranty and etc ones. And this is the quick start guide. Okay, let's keep all this aside. Let's come to the watch. And if you take the overview of the watch, you get a wrapper over here, and this is the display of the watch. Just remove this cover. Keep it aside, and this display is very crisp. I'm not joking, and it's not connected, so I will get daily activities. I like to get steps, calories burnt, workout, activities and all. Then you get workout modes, get 13 workout modes respectively: outdoor running, indoor running, fat burn run, outdoor walking, indoor cycling, outdoor cycling, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, cricket, badminton, pool swimming, yoga, free training. And next we get the heart rate monitor. Let's check the heart rate monitor. Sorry for the current going and coming. Let's start the heart rate. Let's measure it. It's measuring. It's taking quite a while. Please stay still. If you stay still only, you may get accurate. So I'm measuring. It gave me 98. Which on average very good. Okay, come. We have the SpO2. Stay still even for this. If you want accurate data, you should stay still. We again started it because it had some technical issue, and it's showing measuring, showing please stay still. If you not stay still, it will not give accurate data. See, now I'm still now. It's measuring, and it shows green light over here for the heart rate and red light over here for the SpO2. Showing measuring. Let's wait for it. And every company does not suggest to please rely on the SpO2 or showing 97%, 96%, which almost like averagely accurate, but you cannot depend upon any smartwatch for the SpO2 because it's a health factor, a very important one. And here you get sleep monitor, and not wear the watch, like actually it's not got tracked. Here you have breathing function, like 1 minute for 7 times. Please stay still and relax. Okay, now Now focus on breathing. It is very accurate and very good. After breathing, after breathing we get weather. Not connected, sorry for that. Tools, we have music control, stopwatch, timer. It had some preset ones as well, custom and all over here. And you have the alarms. You can just turn off and on and the alarms. You have the camera shutter, search the phone. You have settings over here, D&D, brightness. And the brightness now it is 80%, 100%, 80%, 60%, 40%, 20%, 100% over here now. Then here you have display time of the display turn off time, that is vibration, reset the watch, shut down, reboot, about the band, then regulatory info. It's made in China, okay. And here we have the notifications, and here we have the main screen. If you just swipe it, press and swipe, you will get the battery percentage, D&D mode, and the Bluetooth thing. So you can swap the watch faces, and it also has very crisper ones. You get more in the app, okay. Now let's have a quick look into the charger. How does it place in the charger? Let's open it. Open. You get the capsule look like this. This is the charger. You'll put it over here. And it's connected. As you guys seen, I had mentioned the useful feature of this one in my last video of this one. It also helps me in doing some videos like this as well. Just a minute, let me align it properly. Okay, let's see the charging interface now. I got the interface like this. You get the percentage over here, shows charging, time over there, and a ring of the percentage. Okay guys, this is the review of this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video of the OnePlus Smart Band. Then please stay tuned. You may get a review of the Amazfit BPU Pro or the BPU. I'm not sure. In this two I'm going to get very shortly. And please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please share it, okay. Help my channel Guru. And here's your friend Sumedh signing out. Thank you.